video I am going to share night face pack for clear face. When pimples are popping up, you are about to lose it over dry skin, you might search for chemical products. Here I shared few home remedy for various skin types to get clear skin. For dry skin, ingredients needed: cucumber, banana. Blend 1 cucumber and 1 banana in a jar. Keep it in a refrigerator for 1 hour. Apply on the face. Leave it for overnight. Cucumber moisturizes the face and you will feel fresh in the morning. Banana improves skin texture. For best result, use this mask daily. For bright skin, ingredients needed: turmeric, curd. A bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of turmeric with 1 tablespoon of curd. Apply all over the face. Leave it for overnight. Turmeric contains anti-inflammatory properties. It reduces spots on face and gives bright skin. Yogurt helps to get rid of dark circles. Use this pack daily. For smooth skin, ingredients need: oats, rose water. Grind whole oats in blender jar. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of oats with 2 tablespoons of rose water. Leave it for 30 minutes room temperature. Apply all over the face. Leave it for overnight. Before using this pack, wash your face with any face wash. Oats acts as a scrubber for face and removes dirt. Use this pack daily. To reduce wrinkles, ingredients needed: carrot, yogurt. Grate 1 carrot and make paste from it. Mix 2 tablespoons of carrot paste with 1 tablespoon of curd. Apply all over the face. Leave it for overnight. Carrot contains vitamin A which flush out excessive oil from face and keeps skin fresh. For best results, use this pack daily. Acne face mask. Ingredients needed: tea tree oil, honey. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 2 tablespoons of tea tree oil. Leave it for 1 hour room temperature. Store it in a container. Apply all over the face. Leave it for overnight. Tea tree oil has its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, helps in treating acne. Honey has its antibacterial properties and is a popular choice for treatment of acne. Oily skin face mask. Ingredients needed: gram flour or besan, rose water. Mix 3 tablespoons of gram flour or besan with 4 tablespoons of rose water. Mix well to get flowing consistency. Gram flour has certain properties that treat acne and controls sebum production, also treats oily face. Rose water has its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce acne and face redness. Instead of using soap, wash your face with this face pack. Use at night. For best result, use daily. For dark spot, ingredients needed: turmeric, aloe vera gel.
Storybox Audio.
Mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with half tablespoon of turmeric. Apply on the face. Leave it for overnight. Green tea has its anti-inflammatory properties, helps reduce skin irritation and swelling. For best results, use daily. For glowing skin, ingredients need: green tea powder,
Storybox Audio.
yogurt. Mix 2 tablespoons of green tea powder with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Green tea has its anti-inflammatory properties and reduce skin irritation. Green tea removes dirt from the face and reverse sign of premature aging. Contains lactic acid which moisturizes the face, fight acne and prevent premature aging.
Storybox Audio.
Apply it all over the face. Leave it for overnight. Before using this pack, wash your face with water. Use daily at night.
Storybox Audio.
For clear skin, ingredients needed: papaya, multani mitti. Grind papaya into a paste.
Storybox Audio.
Mix 3 tablespoons of papaya paste with 2 tablespoons of multani mitti. Mix well to get smooth consistency. Keep it in a refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Use twice a week at night. Apply all over the face. Leave it for overnight. Papaya acts as an exfoliator, removes dead skin cells, removes dirt, improves skin tone. Multani mitti fight acne, treats suntan, cleanses face, removes oil from face, and gives clear skin. Revive dull skin. Ingredients needed:
Storybox Audio.
almond, yogurt. Soak 8 to 10 almonds in water for 5 hours. Grind soaked almonds to make a fine paste. Mix grinded almonds with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Keep it in a refrigerator for 1 hour. Use thrice a week. Apply on the face.
Storybox Audio.
Leave it for overnight. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, helps to get white skin, reduce wrinkles, and treat dull skin. Like, share, subscribe to Little Pot.